Hi everyone, Darren Hunter here. I'm with Colin Fulton, who is from Edwards Winter Real Estate in Hobart in Tasmania. Now, Colin, you've been using Virtual Tours Creator now since April when you signed up. You've got 1,200 properties, which is a huge rent roll. Now, Virtual Tours, just for everyone, this is where you can do a 360-degree walkthrough tour, a virtual tour of a property, and you only need your iPhone and a simple attachment. So you don't need expensive cameras. So it's got a real wow factor to it. Colin, when your BDM is with a prospect and you're looking to get new business, how do virtual tours impress the owner and get it over the line?
Because he can immediately send them some links to properties he's just listed that we might have let quickly. They'll view the link, see the quality of the virtual tour, click on the floor plan, see how easy it is to navigate. And the fact that we can do that to their property within 24 hours or within a day. And quite often, the next call he gets is when they return the signed paperwork.
Yeah, it's just a no-brainer, isn't it? Because it's so impressive. And when owners want the best tenant with the best rent in the fastest possible time, virtual tours really show that to an owner that you're able to do that a lot better than a competitor down the road, because of course vacant properties just means more money out of the pocket from the owner. Now you can quickly convert those virtual tours into a floor plan. Now property managers are notorious for not showing floor plans. How does this help your agency?
Just makes it easier for the owners and for the tenants, because as it's like Google Maps, they can open up the floor plan and then they can click on what we call hotspots, so they can then go to the virtual tour in that room of the house, so they can easily navigate their way around the house. Puts all the photos in perspective and makes it easier for them to visualize the house and the property. So if they do rent it sight unseen, when they move in, it is actually how they pictured it in their mind, rather than flicking through still photos and trying to stitch them together in their head.
And when you're dealing with prospective tenants, particularly, as you said, coming over from Victoria or the mainland, what's their feedback to these virtual tours and the floor plans?
They love it. They just love the fact that they can quickly click on there, get a really good grasp of the property. With Google Maps, they can walk the street, look from the outside, look at the photos, go to the virtual tour, and it just gives them a bit of confidence in knowing what they're renting is, what it looks like. It's not a doctored up photo or something else.
So I guess if your competitors are still just only doing boring photos, which only gives a very tiny snapshot of the property and not providing any floor plans, this is a no-brainer, isn't it, for prospective clients to sign up with you guys?
Absolutely, because we do it as we don't charge owners for it. That's one of our other advantages, because we can do it in-house, because the technology and the equipment's so simple to use. It's just making sure we got the resources, and that's what we can promise to owners. We don't have to book a photographer or anything else. We're not going to charge you, and we can do it straight away.
Yeah. All right. Well, everyone, go to virtualtourscreator.com.au. That's virtualtourscreator.com.au, and reach out to Tom. Have a look at the demos also on the website. He also does photo enhancing and digital staging as well. So move up to the next level with your property marketing and really impress your services as being much better than your competitors, and really, really stand out and avoid discounting. Thanks so much for your time, Colin.
No worries. Thank you very much, Darren.